Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So as you all know that I am an instructor at Udemy as well. So I am making one of my course available for you all at a free of cost. Yes, you heard that right. It's available for you all at a free of cost and this is as a giveaway from my side. So the course is all about advanced Python programming. So in that, I will be covering out the Python topics that are advanced Python topics, that is completely the object-oriented programming, and you'll be getting to know the theoretical parts, and as well as you'll be getting to know the practical things as well for this particular advanced Python course which I have on Udemy. So the link for the same is mentioned in the description box. You could just go and enroll for this course. And this complete course is available at free of cost only for next 3 days. So make sure to enroll that as soon as possible so to avail out this particular offer. So this I hope you will be enjoying out this advanced Python course and you'll be getting out the proper insights regarding the advanced Python. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.